Hi YouTube fam, my name is Roxy and on this channel we talk about everything money.
Before we jump into today's topic, if you will go ahead and subscribe if you are new here, hit that notification bell to stay abreast on new uploads, and feel free to drop a comment, like, and share so that we can help reach others that may benefit from this content as well. And again, I do thank you. Hey. Hope all is doing well on this morning. I'm doing well. I do have 3 hot job leads for you on today. But first, I do want to share with you one of my favorite quotes by Maya Angelou. People may not remember what you have said. They may not even remember what you have done, but they will remember how you made them feel. Okay. I'm trying to do self-care and be a better me. So living by that has been working tremendous for me. So let's go ahead and get into the leads. The first one is a transcriptionist, and you can make up to $1,000 a week. With this position here, this is a 1099 position. Okay, no interview is needed to start, and you can start today. All right, well, it says here, okay, job description: turn transcription into a real career. Become an expert member of our professional network with minimum experience and enjoy the flexibility of earning while working from the comfort of your own couch. Minimum experience is needed. We're always looking to fill our position, freelance transcription jobs, so we can grow our team and keep pace with client orders. If you're a transcriptionist who takes pride in your work and wants to make a difference, we want you. Get all the information on how to become a general and or legal transcriptionist today. You will click learn more. It will bring you to this page. It's with legal proofs. Okay. And if you want to go ahead and apply for this position, you could hit the apply now right here at the top right. But just want to show you how it works. Getting started is very easy. Begin earning in 3 easy steps. 1, submit your application. Okay, you will take a quick assessment and complete a questionnaire. Number 2, work online. Get a new transcription jobs to complete daily. Okay. Get paid, receive weekly pay via PayPal for all work that you have completed. All right. But again, you will go ahead and click the apply now button if this sounds like something you are definitely interested in. Okay. All right. Next up, we have Operations Support Specialist, and this is from Gale Healthcare Solutions. They're hiring for a full-time position here, remote. Again, all of the jobs that you see are remote from home, okay? This position does pay $15 an hour, and this is the job's description here. Summary: the operations specialist or support specialist monitor what shifts have not already been covered by Gale clinicians. A proactive old school approach is often necessary to fill waiting shifts, late call out shifts, no call, no show shifts, and late call shifts in support of the facility. Okay. The OSS must use a litany of approaches and tools to cover an open shift. The OSS must also advise and empower facilities that have not yet fully adopted the Gale technology to ensure that they have appropriate training on using the Gale platform. All right. The essential functions: ensure coverage of all available shifts within your market. Work with facility personnel to ensure their understanding and use of the Gale platform. Use strong customer service skills to ensure a positive experience for both clinicians and facility personnel. Okay. Required screening tool: applicants for this role must complete an easy 6-minute online assessment prior to being interviewed. You will receive an email from us as soon as your application is submitted. All right. So you must have a high school diploma or equivalent required. 1 year of call center experience is preferred. So that means that you don't have to have the call center experience, but they do prefer you to have that. All right. Competencies: customer service, critical thinking, problem solving, communication, multitasking, organization, issue resolution, project management. All right. Here's your benefits here. They do offer a variety of benefits, including generous leave policy, paid holidays, health insurance with multiple plan choices, dental insurance, vision insurance, supplemental insurances, work from home for most positions, flexible work schedules for many positions. All right. And then you can read this information here below. But if you are indeed interested, go ahead and click I am interested to this position so you can go ahead and apply and submit your resume. Okay. All right. Next up, we do have the staff support specialist. Again, this is with Gale Healthcare Solutions, a full-time position from home. All right. And I also want to point out that if you're not interested, please refer a friend that may be. All right, on these positions. All right, so again, the summary here: the staff and support specialist monitors clinical shifts that have been staffed and filled by Gale, and to ensure that available shifts that were not filled automatically are properly staffed. So it's somewhat similar to the operations support specialist. Oftentimes, the need to call and personally contact clinicians may be necessary to fill waiting shifts, late or called out shifts, or shifts where the clinician failed to show as scheduled, as well as calls from facilities seeking support. Okay. Let me just go on down here to the essential functions. Answer phone calls, email, and messages from Gale clinicians and clients responding to questions, scheduling shifts, solving problems, and addressing payroll questions using multiple tools, technologies, systems, or platforms. Communicate with market teams to ensure updates and changes to applicable market teams, and work in partnership to solve problems and backfill shifts. Okay. Work in partnership with the payroll team to address clinicians' questions and concerns regarding their pay. Applicants for this role must complete an easy 6-minute online assessment prior to beginning or being interviewed as well. All right. You will receive an email from us as soon as your application is submitted. All right. Education for this position is a high school diploma or equivalent, like a GED. Now, this one does require that you have a minimum of 1 year customer service in high volume atmosphere, preferred minimum of 1 year call center experience. Again, that's that preferred word. But my rule of thumb is apply anyway, because you just never know. All right. So excellent verbal and written customer skills or communication skills, excellent customer service skills with ability to foster trust and build long-term relationships, strong analytical and problem-solving skills, ability to manage complex problems in a timely manner. All right, you can read this, so forth and so on. Again, here are the benefits. They are the same as before. Generous leave policy, paid holidays, health insurance with multiple plan choices, dental insurance, vision, supplemental insurances, flexible work schedules for many positions as well. And if you are interested, and also this position pays $16 to $18 per hour. All right. If you are interested, go ahead and click I'm interested in this bottom portion here. Okay. All right, as always, the links will be in the description box below to all the positions that I have posted here, along with the pay. So go ahead and apply before the positions are no longer available. Good luck to those who apply.
For those who stuck around this long, I will give you a bonus tip on that typingtest.com site I told you about in a previous video. You will see how it looks whenever you log in and get ready to take your test, okay? So stay tuned for that. Thank you. So you'll go ahead and click on the 1-minute test and you'll hit start test. Then you'll just start typing here. All right, so once you're done doing that, you'll hit close. And it'll analyze your results. And see how you got 48 words per minute at 100% accuracy. And then it has a net speed as well as 58 words per minute. If you want to retake the test, you can go ahead and retake the test and all of that great stuff as well, okay? But just want to show you how this tool works. And this is a good way to get your typing skills up, okay? Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please share, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And have a great day.